F100. I see the black bat over there. Yes, sir. Hey man, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, man. That's the type of work I do. Look at that. Building up this one right now. Road ready. They got a 302 in it. It had originally it come with a 302, but it had a 351 in it when it was purchased. But that's locked up. We're gonna try to get that unseized up, which is right here on the crate right here. Gonna try to get that broken loose. But like I say, finna get rid of the bleed the brake system. You know what I'm saying? That one right there have a 351 in it. That got a 400 in it. And they run, man. All on run. They got a 351 in it too. Oh. This one right here is not for sale. That one right there is not for sale. 5,500. You can get that one. That one right there. Ain't gonna lie. Hey, they got some work done to the motor on that one. That one right there ready. 6,000 for the black one. That's over there on the other side. 55 for the green one. That's right there. Not this candy apple green, not that one. But that one over there. Oh. Yeah, man. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell, man. It's your boy Boss Man, and I'm out.